Welcome to Grand Central Kitchen. You name it, it happens here. Now let's get to work and do some morning magic. Good morning, friends. It's me. How are you? I hope that you're going to have a great day today. Today is Wednesday. So I hope that you've already got up and you've got ready for the day. I showered, I did my makeup, I did my hair, I got ready. I got the kids ready, I got them off to school. Before I did that, I came downstairs and I put my kitchen back together, as you're about to see. And I made lunches for the kids so that I could send them on their way with extra happiness and joy today. Because they love a home lunch. I don't know why, it's not that special. I don't do that much for it, but they seem to love it. Now today I have a lot of things I'm gonna do, so I'll tell you about that during the video, and I hope that you will stay tuned until the end so that you can catch my afterthoughts, because those are always fun. All right, take care, we'll see you soon. So, I went over my plans for today last night so that I could gather my thoughts and line things up. And then I could get the times worked out so that I don't even have to rush today. It's so awesome. I have a couple of loads of laundry to do this morning. Then I'll just take a couple of minutes, sort my mail, and then go over the bills to make sure they were all paid and that nothing's missing and that everything's come through on my bank accounts. Then I'll have to go pick up my son this morning from school and then take him to the orthodontist. It's all the way across town near where my daughter lives, so we'll go see her when we're through. And then we'll go to lunch at our favorite Mexican food restaurant. It'll be fun. What do you have planned for today? Are you excited for the day? Have you even got out of bed? Well, it's time. Get things going. Get yourself ready. Just put a cute outfit on, brush your hair, brush your teeth, put a little makeup on. Even a little 2-minute makeup routine makes a difference. I have a little video on that, you know. Have you seen it yet? I'll post it in the comments below. And then after you do your hair and your makeup, be sure to just do a quick swish and swipe in the toilet. That's where you're just going to run your Johnny brush real quick through the bowl. And then you're going to do a quick wipe with a microfiber cloth and wipe any spots on your mirror as well as on your sink. It looks beautiful when you're finished. Make sure you have everything put away on the counters first, of course. After you've done a quick wipe in your bathrooms, then you're going to go to the laundry room with a load of laundry. Make sure that you just put one in real quick and then go over to your kitchen and put your dishes away. It's amazing how fast they get put away. Then you could just make sure everything looks good, fix a little breakfast, have a little something to drink. And if you have anybody else you need to feed, make sure you feed them now too. Today, my kids are going to eat breakfast at the public school. It's not the best thing in the world, but sometimes they just like to do it for a switch. So then that means I'll make them a lunch from home. That way they at least get something nutritional. Although my lunches aren't fancy, they're fun. Today I made them dry ham and cheese sandwiches with a bag of chips, a small bag of baby carrots, and a fruit snack pack. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. Just remember to stay realistic when you're making kids' school lunches with smaller portions and only a few choices because they don't have a lot of time to eat there. So make sure it's food that they like and that they're actually going to eat quickly. That just makes it more functional, affordable, and then they don't waste as much. But then they also get something that's good to eat. As you'll notice, and as I've said, life is not perfect. I'm a little rough around the edges, there's no doubt about that. I gave up of having a fancy home for a simple, practical, traditional, and functional model, which I love. It's so much easier. But enough of that. To each his own. After this, I'm going to go ahead and head on over to take care of the rest of the things I need to do this morning and then run our errands. After our errands, I'll be home in time to be here before the little ones get out of school. I have plenty of time to do all of it, so it should work out just great. What do you have planned today? If you haven't made your plan yet, you should do that now. Just gotta get out a piece of paper and write down a few things that you want to accomplish today and a few places that you might need to go this week and see which day it'll work best for you. You know, it's pretty easy to do that. It just helps you feel more productive as the weeks go by. So, as I have said, my life isn't perfect. Let's talk about boys for a minute. As I have 9 of them. Yeah, 9 boys. Can you imagine the chaos in my life? Just kidding. Boys are so sweet. I only have 8 of them still living at home. But I love that saying that says, "Thank heavens for little boys." They are so helpful, and they're so sweet, and they're so good to each other. I just think the support system in this family is just incredible. It makes me so happy that I chose to have so many children. And I'll have to add pictures at the end of this video about the little things I've been finding here and there of boys. It just reminds me of how many boys I have and how much fun it is. I mean, on my back porch I have a weight set, for crying out loud. And then I found a race car on the back of the toilet tank. And I found one up by my vases. And I find skulls inside the bathroom sink, and just cars lined up everywhere, and Legos all over the place. I mean, talk about boys in and out through the years. Yeah, I've got them, but I wouldn't trade not one of them. That goes for my girls too. They're my best friends. We love to chat, play, and have fun together. I really feel so blessed, and I feel like that I have the kids that I was supposed to have. It makes me feel special, and like God must love me. Do you feel that way about your children? I sure hope so. It's like that scripture said, children are an heritage of the Lord, and happy is the man that has a quiver full of them. Yeah, that's how I feel inside and out. My life has been so richly blessed from having so many children. I can't even imagine my life any different. It would sure be lonely without them. I hope that you get to enjoy these videos and that you get to see things that help motivate you, inspire you, and encourage you to do better every day, and to even just accept yourself where you are, to be kind to yourself, and be tolerant of your children. That way you can be a better mother, a better wife, and a better homemaker. Not to mention if you work outside the home. It's just wonderful to be able to spend time with our children, even if we only get a little bit. Every minute counts. If you have anything that you'd like to say, or if you have any questions that you'd like to ask, be sure to add them in the comments below. I read them every day, and I try to message you back as soon as I can. If you haven't subscribed to this video channel yet, please do. You'll want to be able to catch everything that we've got going on. And be sure to put a thumbs up if you can. I'll try to do a video every morning to try to inspire you so that you can do your morning routine with me. It'll be fun. Well, that just about wraps things up in here for today. I'll see you later. It looks like Rush will be the first one to come in and grab his lunch. I think Ozias just wants to check out what he's got in his bag to decide if he wants to eat at home or eat from home or eat at school today. He'll probably decide to eat at school. He usually does. You know, until I recorded this video, I didn't even know that the boys would double check their lunches just to make sure that they had something to be excited about, I guess. You'll notice one by one they all come in and they check out what the contents are inside the bag. It's the funniest thing. I think I even hear Ripton say that works in this one. Then you'll notice that all the boys came in to get their lunches, but then I'm not sure what happened to my daughter. I think it has something to do with the phone turning off automatically after a certain amount of time. Because guess what? You won't see her this morning. You'll just see her lunch bag still sitting there after Raiden has got his, of course. And then you won't notice that Daly came and got hers after the video had already shut off. Kind of frustrating, but you get the idea. I'll try and get these videos up for you every morning. So this morning I was able to get up, get ready for the day, and I showered first and did all the stuff you gotta do after you shower. And I put my makeup on. I haven't done my hair yet. As you can see, this is all natural, just air dried a little bit. But I ran downstairs, got the kitchen in order, got the kids' lunches in order, and now I can do the rest of my routine. I just wanted to make sure I got those finished so that when they're ready to come down, it would happen quickly. And it's only been 16 minutes since I came downstairs, so I was able to get the kitchen in order, put the dishes away, as well as make their lunches in 15 minutes. See what I mean? 15-minute magic. You can do so much in 15 minutes. And now for the pictures I promised you. You know, the ones with the little cars everywhere? Just because I have boys. And there's the skeleton in the sink. And the car by my vases. I mean, Rush got his finger stuck in a purple container. We had to get it cut off with peanut butter and scissors. It's the boys. And then here's the newest member of our family, Sammy. We love him. He's so adorable. We love it when he eats. I'm going to make more videos about him. I hope you like it. Take care. See you soon.